वेलकम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट मैडम, आप लोग नंबर ऑफ पीपल चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट आर बहुत कम है, and you can make it if you really want to do it. Please tell me about yourself confidently, either in English or Hindi.
Yes, sir. So my name is Bhagyashree. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I am a chartered accountant by profession with 2 years of post-qualification experience. I spent 1 year at chartered accountancy firm in Jodhpur where I worked on a government tender which is preparing comprehensive annual financial report for a 5-year period. And subsequently, I gained another year of experience in Accenture Solutions Private Limited in Pune as CFM analyst, where I was assigned to a project based in Germany. And last November, I got married, and now, so I resigned the job in Pune. After that, I started looking for the opportunity in banking and finance industry, as these fields align with my professional interest. This is all about.
Excellent. What is your husband doing?
He's software engineer and doing a freelance. He's working freelancing project.
Very good. So you are willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you tell me what are the components of financial statement?
What components? Balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow statement, notes to accounts. And
This will
notes
to account will do. Then cash flow, funds flow, that will do. And then, yeah, that will do.
Statement
Good.
of changes in equity.
Statement
One
of
is statement of changes in equity.
Yeah, there is one statement for
There are
expenses. Income and
five components. Yes, 5 components in financial statement: balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow statement, statement of changes in equity, and notes to account, which is explanatory notes.
Excellent. Good point. Very good. Can you explain what is tangible asset? What is non-tangible asset?
Sir, in tangible assets includes plant and machinery, land and building, which we can see, and depreciation is charged on tangible assets. And intangible are those like patent, goodwill, which we can't see.
Good.
And amortization is charged on intangible assets.
What is amortization?
Amortization is like a depreciation. Like on depreciation, tangible assets, we charge depreciation, but on intangible assets, we charge amortization.
Okay.
It is like every year, if a cost price of an like patent, goodwill, or trademark, whatever the case may be, if the cost price is 10 lakh, and if in every year, and life of the asset, intangible assets is for 10 years, then every year which will charge 1 lakh in P&L account as amortization cost. This concept is same as depreciation.
What are reserves and surplus?
Reserves are the leftover balance of the profit which remained after payment of all the expenses, tax, and dividend to dividend to shareholders. So it is maintained to meet out the future contingencies or any future expenditure.
Good. What are deferred tax liabilities?
So deferred tax, the concept of deferred tax is arised on account of difference in accounting income and taxable income. So there are some different, when we prepare the financial statement as per the Income Tax Act, then there is some difference in some provisions which are allowed under, some expenditure are allowed under Income Tax Act, but some are or some are not allowed. But as per the accounting concept, we are taking into account these expenditure, like for preparing finance. I don't not able to recall one exam. Like in when so there is a difference in accounting profit and taxable profit. So due to this difference, there is a difference in tax liability.
What
So
is what is double financing?
Double financing, double entry bookkeeping.
नहीं, double
Sorry.
financing. They have asked a
Uh,
question like this. First time I am also coming across. What is double financing?
Financing. Sir, I am not able to like I don't know about this. I can give a try for that. Like
Please
double
try.
financing means a dual like we take a financing from two of the organization for a single project or a single class of assets. It may be like that. For a
Here it
larger project, we
here it is here it is given. Double
mhm,
financing is a financial tool that can be used by businesses, investors, and commercial real estate owners to access capital and increase their cash flow. It involves two loans being taken out on the same asset, and it can be beneficial for those who need additional funds but do not have the resources or credit score to get them. माना अभी आपका पास कुछ गाड़ी है, उस गाड़ी को ऊपर में दो आदमी से लोन लेते हैं तो गलत चीज है, but
mhm.
SMAP maybe with the knowledge of both of them you are taking loans. Double financing is the practice of engaging with multiple financial providers to secure financing against the same underlying asset. इसका मतलब ये है यू आर ट्राइंग थ्रू 2-3 बैंक्स, किसी एक
Yes,
बैंक में सक्सेस नहीं हुआ तो कोई बात नहीं, दूसरा बैंक से आपको मिल जाता है। ये तो
yes,
दिस मस्ट बी नोन टू यू चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स, तो आप लोग ज्यादा करते हैं, ये तो जानना जरूरी है।
yes, sir,
व्हाट
I will go through the same.
या व्हाट आर
But
डिफरेंट
sir,
टाइप्स?
it is illegal, I guess.
I know it is, but sometimes it can be legal also. There are
Yes, sir.
some cases where consortium financing is adopted
Yes, sir.
over 5
So
crores,
yes, sir.
over,
But
over
in
5 crores
consortium
with
financing, one or more bank come together.
yeah, yeah. And then what is SHG, collateral free limit? सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप का कोलाटरल फ्री लिमिट कितना है? दस
Self-help group
10 लाख रुपया, 10 lakhs rupees. Can you explain about loan against deposit?
loan against deposit. Yes, if we have an account in same bank where I am approaching for the loan, then bank is granting me and I don't have any other assets to provide as a security, then bank may grant a loan against my deposit account as a
Clearly,
collateral.
अपने clearly बोलना है. Where I have a fixed deposit in a bank and I
Mhm.
am offering it as security under pledge, bank will give me 90% of that as loan, charging 2% more than the interest they are giving me. So this is known as loan on deposit. Same concept can be taken as an overdraft also. An overdraft limit can be fixed against the security of the fixed deposit. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Overdraft facility can also be given against
Yeah.
security of fixed deposit.
Miss Bhagyashri. So what is the meaning of Bhagyashri?
Lucky.
Good. Are you lucky girl?
Uh,
You have to say yes immediately
yes,
without
yes, yes,
hesitation. Without
yes,
hesitation आपने क्यों इतना सोचते हैं? अरे भाई, आपको तो 2 हाथ, 2 legs, 2 eyes,
yes,
2 ears,
yes,
ये सब कुछ भगवान ने दिया है, इसीलिए आपने बोलना है यस आई एम अ लकी गर्ल. In
yes,
fact,
sir.
yesterday I saw a lady without 2 hands
Mm-hmm.
and taking care of a small baby. A video tha. She is taking care of the baby with the help of legs. Oh God. वो सबको देखने से थे हम लोग, we are all gifted. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me what is current CRR and SLR.
CRR requirement is 4.5% and SLR 18%.
what is how CTS is clearing is done in branches?
Sorry, how?
CTS सुना है? चेक ट्रंकेशन सिस्टम, इसका
Yes,
बारे में
sir.
वो
Sir,
क्या
it is
चीज है, वो कैसे कर रहे हैं?
Yes, sir. It is online image based check clearing system whereby the check image and MICR data is MICR data is captured at the collecting bank and and transmitted electronically. It eliminates the need of physical movement of check.
Super, good answer, very happy. Explain DSCR, where it is used.
Yes, sir. DSCR stands for debt service coverage ratio. It is used in when we are applying for a term loan or any other credit facility from a bank. Through financial statement we can calculate this ratio. Formula of this ratio is uh, net profit after dividend plus depreciation and interest divided by interest and principal amount. Uh,
Good.
ideal debt ideal debt service coverage ratio is 1.75. It
Good.
represents that
And I immediately add one more sentence also. It may differ from type of industries, depending on
yes,
the
sir.
type of industry. Good,
Mhm.
very good. अच्छा जी, अभी जीएसटी का बात में क्या बात चल रहा है इकोनॉमिक सर्कल में? अभी क्या कितना रेट्स है?
Sir, although I am
ये
not much aware of, but in the recent news, I read in the newspaper that this time GST collection is a very huge amount in comparison to last year. So the collection of GST.
चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट मैडम, आपने ऐसा नहीं बोलना है, हमको बोलना है इस साल में हम लोग का कलेक्शन इतना हो गया, सबसे
Yes, sir.
बढ़िया है, ऐसा
I am
मत ही
not
आप
exactly remembering the exact amount of that collection. That
रिमेम्बर
is
करना
in
है जी,
Yes,
रिमेम्बर
sir.
करना है. What are the rates of GST rates?
Sir, it is different on each and every product or services.
But you can tell the rates 0, 5, 12, 18, 28.
Okay, okay, sir.
What are the returns to be submitted for GST?
GSTR 10 and sorry, sir, I'm not aware of.
Because you are a chartered accountant, they expect you to
Yes,
know this.
sir.
दूसरा कैंडिडेट्स होगा तो ये क्वेश्चन हम नहीं पूछेंगे.
Yes, sir. GSTR 1, 2, and 3B, which
थोड़ा ये
right now
सब
I'm able to
थोड़ा ये
recall.
सबको प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए.
Yes, sir, sure.
The scheme CGTMSE is applicable for which type of companies? How much guarantee maximum is given under this scheme?
This scheme is applicable for a women entrepreneur, SC/ST entrepreneur, MSME promoted by Agniveer, and MSME located in MSC sorry, micro and small enterprise located in
Aspirational districts.
some aspirational district and
But
person with disability. In this cases, 85% is the guarantee coverage up to 5 crore, and for micro entity up to 5 lakh, they are also eligible for 85% guarantee coverage. For other sectors, it is 75%, and
but
MSC located in northeast region 75%
no.
up to 50.
Northeast में थोड़ा ज्यादा है, 80% also. थोड़ा वेरीफाई कर
Sorry,
ली.
80%,
Yeah,
80% of
very
up to
good.
50.
Yeah, next question. Why should I select Bhagyashree?
Sir, some of the qualities required in credit officer, which includes financial acumen and analytical ability, continuous reading, decision making, problem solving skills. And I think uh, and in analytical ability, I think I have that ability. During my role at Accenture, my profile was CFM analyst. In that profile, I performed the analytic role, like analysis of the data, problem solving approach, and what are the causes of the differences, root cause analysis for the same. So it helps me in this credit officer role. Also, there is problem solving skills is also required.
What is
So
the
I
what is
sorry,
the what is the GNPA percentage of Punjab National Bank as on 30th June?
4.98.
What is the NNPA? NNPA
NNPA 4 sorry 0.60.
0.60.
Yes sir, 0.60.
Good. Best wishes. Thank you so much. You did well. But only thing is थोड़ा आपका मन में थोड़ा डर है. That is seen by the voice vibrations. पता नहीं क्यों. Or is it very cold there now? No.
No sir.
But are you aware
Yes,
of that? Are you aware of that vibrations? Fear?
yes, a little bit where I don't know the correct answer.
तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. सबको पढ़ लीजिए. प्रिपेयर कर
Yes,
दीजिए. Your interview is on 5th only, na? 6th.
yes sir.
5th. You can do well before that. अच्छा से पढ़ के जाओ जी. You did well. I will give you 8 out of 10.
Yes sir. So I will go
Thank you.
through this.
But this is not sufficient for selection. आपने और
Actually.
भी अच्छा करना है.
Yes sir.
Thank you. God bless you.